Hello everyone, I am Sidhu. I am having 7 years of experience as a software engineer. This course is provided by Micron. If you don't know Micron yet, Micron helps companies hire the best remote software developers easily. The first 1 week of our hire is 100% free. If you want to learn more, go back and check micron.ai. Let's come back to the presentation. In today's session, we are gonna learn about Google Bard and its importance and how it is different from ChatGPT and other AI tools. We have all been talking about ChatGPT and we have seen the wave of excitement it caused when it was released. But Google's answer to ChatGPT AI is an AI chatbot named Bard, which according to Google CEO Sundar Pichai has specifically been launched to compete with ChatGPT. Bard is driven by Google's language model for dialogue application, also called Lambda. And now, if you are to compare Bard versus GPT, there are some points. Let's discuss about those points. Point number 1. Bard will have access to the most current data, be able to access and deliver more updated information. Whereas ChatGPT sources end with the data until 2021. Hence, its knowledge is limited to research and information. Second point, because Bard is going to be integrated with Google search engine, it will have access to the huge amount of data, giving it a huge advantage over ChatGPT. ChatGPT can make some factual mistakes. Google Bard is set to deliver more reliable information. In the next slide, we'll discuss about how Bard is useful to the developers. And there are some points I listed down, so we'll discuss about those as well. So introduction about the Bard is done, and we already discussed how it is different from ChatGPT. And now we'll discuss about the pricing point. As of now, Google Bard is free of cost, so you can feel free to use it. So how to access Google Bard? You just need to go to google.com and search for Google Bard, and you will find a website, and you just need to click on it and log in. So you will see the same UI as ChatGPT, and you can able to enter whatever you feel like to. How is the weather? And it might not be able to answer because you are not specifically asking the location, but yeah, it's giving based on my location. Can Bard help with coding? Yes, Bard can help with coding and topics about coding, but Bard is still experimental and you are responsible for your use of code. You should carefully test it before using it in the production. Let's test some coding features in Bard. So I can ask Bard, can you write a code to print stars in pyramid? So I just asked to print stars in pyramid structure, but I have not mentioned any of the language. Let's see in which language it will pick. So it definitely picked Python, so it has given the answer, and it showed you how it looks also, and it showed you how you have to execute. Good. And I'll write down a wrong function hello with some error. Let's see whether it will identify it or not. So it has to print hello, but there is a problem in the statement that console spelling is wrong. We'll see whether it is identifying it or not. It's taking some time. I think searching along with the Google. Yeah, it printed hello. And it said also that uncaught type error exception console.log is not a function because console.log the naming is wrong. Good. Let's come back to the presentation. So as it's linked with Google information and Google account, can I delete my account? Can I delete my data from Google account. Yes, it is possible. You just need to go to bard.com and then you have to click on the Bard activity. When you click on it, it basically opens myactivity.google.com/Bard and which shows you what all the things you searched in the Bard. If you want to delete, you can click on the delete by checking on the last hour, last day, all time, any range of activity, you can click and delete it. That's all from this session to know about Google Bard. Thank you.